Good morning, my dear students. How are you? Hope you are very well and safe, but missed us. That means our online classes, isn't it? Don't worry, we have come with our new lessons of second term syllabus. So now, welcome to my chemistry class. This is the chemistry class of standard 10. Today our topic is preparation and uses of different chemicals. Household chemistry. We use table salt, baking powder, vinegar, soft drinks, etc. in our houses. First, preparation of table salt. That means preparation of sodium chloride. In our country, table salt is extracted from seawater. No need to prepare table salt. Sodium chloride is available in seawater and this sodium chloride is extracted from seawater. In seawater, huge amounts of sodium chloride is dissolved along with magnesium chloride, calcium chloride, etc. Salt cultivators cultivate salt from seawater by salt harvesting process. After cultivation, the salts are processed by filtration process in different industries. These pictures will make you more clear about the cultivation of salt from seawater. Look, in coastal areas, salt cultivators make these types of square or rectangular dams. Look, now another picture. Look, there are some square shaped dams. They make these dams and there they keep small empty space. Through this empty space they keep air. When tide water enters through this space and stored here, they close the entry point. Now another picture. When this water evaporates in the presence of sunlight, salts become visible. Now look. Look. Water is evaporated by sunlight and now the salt is visible. In this way, salt is cultivated and this process of cultivation of salt is called salt harvesting. But this salt, they are not in pure form. There are some impurities like sand and other impurities. So these salts are collected and they are processed in different industries by filtration process. Uses of sodium chloride. We need different types of ions like sodium ion, potassium ion, etc. for smooth running of all activities in our body. If there is lack of sodium ion in our body due to any reason, this deficiency is filled up by taking sodium chloride with water. Sodium chloride is also used for different purposes such as without sodium chloride, no cooking tastes good. Sodium chloride is used in industry to prepare sodium hydroxide. That means toilet cleaner. You know this. By the electrolysis process of sodium chloride solution, sodium hydroxide is prepared and this sodium hydroxide is the main ingredient of toilet cleaner. Sodium chloride is used in drug industries to manufacture salines. These are the uses of sodium chloride. Now another chemicals, that is baking powder. What is baking powder? Baking powder is the mixture of baking soda, that means sodium hydrogen carbonate, and tartaric acid. This is an organic acid. Baking powder is the mixture of baking soda and tartaric acid. Look, baking soda, that means sodium hydrogen carbonate. This is not baking powder. This is baking soda. When tartaric acid is mixed with it, then this mixture will be called as baking powder. In our market, baking powder is found that type of container, and it is white powder like chemicals. Preparation of baking powder. To make baking soda, ammonia gas, salt, water and carbon dioxide gas are needed. To prepare baking powder, at first we have to make baking soda, that means sodium hydrogen carbonate. Then after making sodium hydrogen carbonate, it is mixed with tartaric acid, and this mixture will be marketed as baking powder. Now, ammonia, carbon dioxide and water, they mix together and they react to make ammonium hydrogen carbonate. Now, in the second step, ammonium hydrogen carbonate reacts with sodium chloride and it makes sodium hydrogen carbonate, that means baking soda and ammonium chloride. Now baking soda is separated from the pot and tartaric acid is mixed with it. This mixture is called baking powder. Look, baking soda, sodium hydrogen carbonate, this is white colored powder. Tartaric acid, it is also white colored powder, and both they are mixed together to make baking powder. Uses of baking powder. During making cakes, baking powder is mixed with the flour of cake and heated. Baking soda reacts with tartaric acid and produces sodium tartarate, carbon dioxide gas and water. Cakes rise up because of this carbon dioxide gas. Reaction. Here sodium hydrogen carbonate and tartaric acid, they react to make sodium tartarate, carbon dioxide and water. Now, you heard the name yeast. This is one type of fungus. Yeast is also used to inflate bread. You know this. How yeast works to inflate bread. Here also carbon dioxide is produced. Here carbon dioxide is produced because of aerobic respiration of the yeast. After mixing yeast, when bread is baked in an oven, the yeast dies due to heat and swelling process of bread stops. That means in both cases, carbon dioxide rises the cake or bread, but for baking powder, it is made by the reaction of sodium hydrogen carbonate and tartaric acid, but for yeast, it is produced by the respiration of the yeast. Now, another chemical, that is vinegar. What is vinegar? 4 to 10% aqueous solution of ethanoic acid is called vinegar. It is widely used in making pickles and as food preservatives. Look, vinegar is found in market in this type of glass or plastic container. It can be made also in home, and it can be stored in this type of glass container. Preparation of vinegar. How vinegar is prepared? Vinegar or ethanoic acid is prepared by the blowing of bubble of oxygen gas into ethanol and Acetobacter kept in a steel pot at 25 degrees Celsius to 35 degrees Celsius temperature. Look, already we read that ethanoic acid is prepared from ethanol, but at first we read that ethanoic acid is prepared by two-step reaction. That means at first ethanol is oxidized by oxygen to make ethanol, and then by further oxidation ethanoic acid is produced. But here when acetobacter is present, then ethanol produces ethanoic acid at one-step reaction at 25 degree to 35 degree Celsius temperature. Here ethanol is oxidized by direct oxygen because here bubble of oxygen gas is blown and acetobacter is present with ethanol and it gives ethanoic acid and water. Uses of vinegar. Pickles get rotten when bacteria attacks them. When vinegar is applied to pickles, then it dissociates in the following way. Though vinegar, that means ethanoic acid, is a weak acid, but it slightly dissociates to make ethanoate ion and hydrogen ion. As this acid gives a small amount of hydrogen ion in solution, and this hydrogen ion destroys the protein of bacteria, so no bacteria can grow in food. That means this hydrogen ion helps vinegar to preserve any food. Hydrogen ion destroys the protein of the bacteria. As a result, the foods remain safe from the attack of bacteria and the food is not rotten. In this way, food is preserved by using vinegar. Now another one, that is soft drinks. All you know about soft drinks. Soft drinks are called carbonated beverages. Here carbon dioxide gas is dissolved into soft drinks. Soft drinks are marketed like this type of plastic or plastic container, bottle or tin jar. When it is poured, then they make these types of bubble. Preparation of soft drinks. Soft drinks are prepared when carbon dioxide gas is dissolved in water at low temperature and high pressure. Carbon dioxide and water react in soft drinks and produce carbonic acid. Here, water and carbon dioxide produces carbonic acid inside the soft drinks. Uses. People take soft drinks for digestion of food. So, dear students, today up to this, and these all are in your book. You will also follow the book. Today there is no homework. So, thanks everyone.